Pierre-Auguste Renior was one of the most famous of the French Impressionist painters. He lived from 1841 to 1919. Like most artists of his day, he began painting in the academic style, which was taught at universities at the time, and focused on portraying mythological and historical subject matter in a realistic way. Renoir, along with his contemporaries, Claude Monet, Edgar Degas, and several others, broke away from these established norms and developed a style of painting called Impressionism. Impressionism focuses on capturing light and color in the natural world. Rough and imprecise brushstrokes are used to capture an image that looks somewhat fuzzy and out of focus. Renoir, along with other Impressionist painters, were at first criticized, but they later gained wide acceptance. This movement led to other movements like post-impressionism and fauvism and influenced the modern art movements that came after it.
Thanks for watching. It would be a huge support to me if you would subscribe. Be sure to check out the other amazing art lessons and art tutorials on my channel, Rainbow Parrot Art.